Are you looking for an investment option that comes with a life cover? Are you wondering if that's even possible? Is there any investment product that gives you insurance plus investment benefits? Yes, there is, and it is called ULIPs, which is Unit Linked Insurance Plan. So in this video, let's dive deep and understand all about ULIPs, which is Unit Linked Insurance Plan. What is this plan all about? How does it work? What are the benefits you gain once you're investing in this? And lastly, let's also understand who should ideally invest in ULIPs. Hi guys, my name is Namita Pandey and I welcome you all to yet another video of freedom. And before moving ahead, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please do make sure you do so. So let's get started by understanding first what is ULIPs, as in what is Unit Linked Insurance Plan. Well, as the name indicates, Unit Linked Insurance Plan. So whenever we are talking about unit, we are also donating or we are also connoting that once you're investing in this, it means that it is investing in any kind of mutual funds or stock market. Because here we are talking about anything that has units. So whenever you're investing in mutual funds, you might have noticed that you are allotted certain units. So like that, Unit Linked Insurance Plan is an investment product wherein you invest your money, and that comes with a mix of insurance plan, plus it gives you the investment benefits as well. So what is the objective behind this plan or a product that we're particularly talking about? Well, from a ULIP, the goal here is to provide wealth creation along with life cover, where the insurance company puts a portion of your investment towards life insurance. The first portion goes towards that, and the rest of your invested amount will go towards any of the investment product that we're talking about. So these goals, now the goals that we mentioned, it could be anything. It could be your retirement planning, it could be your child's education, or it could be any other important event that you may wish to save for later on in the future. So now let me also tell you, whenever you're investing in ULIPs, your investment here, first I told you it will go towards your insurance, and the second portion, the larger portion, will go towards the investment. Now you might wonder, what investment am I talking here about? Well, once you're investing here, a portion, your investment could go towards equity funds, wherein the premium paid is invested in the equity market, and thereby it is subject to higher risk. Second option you get here is either your money can also go towards the balanced fund, or what we call as the hybrid funds, wherein the premium paid will go towards balanced or hybrid funds, and it comes with a minimal risk. And the last option is your investment can also go towards the debt funds. Now here, the debt funds could be your bonds, it could be government securities, etc. And here the risk you take will be very minimal. Now let's understand, how does this Unit Linked Insurance Plan actually work? Well, whenever you're deciding to invest in ULIPs, or whenever you're deciding to venture into the capital market, you need to first determine, you need to first understand, or you need to first decide the level of life cover you want, the premium amount you are willing to pay, the premium payment modes or options that you have, and lastly the policy terms to match all your financial protections as well as the savings needs. Now here, when I'm talking about the premium payment, it could be, you can decide to pay the premium either monthly, either half yearly, or even yearly. Now this will be based on your convenience and feasibility. Also besides these, you can also opt for doing the payment upfront, doing it lump sum payment, or the recurring payment, and this can be on the basis of annual payment, half yearly payment, or even monthly basis, whatever is convenient. So one portion or one part of your premium, as I said, will go towards providing you the life cover, and the other larger portion of your investment towards ULIPs will be invested in stock market via equity, debt, or hybrid funds. Now this will again be based on your preference, and here you get the liberty to choose between these three fund options or fund investments. Now here the best part is also that in case of an unfortunate incident during the policy tenure, the nominee, whomever you have nominated, will receive the entire sum assured to fulfill their dreams. This is the plus point, as this is the insurance plan. Now let's talk about the lock-in period of ULIPs, which means for how long are you expected to stay invested with this product. Well, if I'm talking about the lock-in period, which is the tenure, it is mandated that until 5 years you have to invest in this scheme or in this plan, and before that there is no withdrawal scheme option that is available. Now let me also tell you that the IRDAI had revised this tenure, and it was earlier in 2010 they revised this, and earlier it was 3 years, and now they have revised and they have made it to 5 years. Now, as a policy holder and as an investor of ULIPs, obviously you will not look at the tenure which is only for a shorter duration. And if you're looking for an insurance plan and also for investment benefits that you receive, it's ideally recommended that you stay invested for a longer duration of time. And ideally you should invest for say 10 years, 15 years or 20 years, since it is insurance plus the investment benefit that you get. Moving on, let's now talk about why should anyone invest in ULIPs or unit linked insurance plan. The first benefit you get after this is life cover. So first and foremost, with ULIPs you get a life cover coupled with investment. It offers you the security that the taxpayer's family can fall back on in any case of the emergencies, like if there is any untimely death of the taxpayer, etc. If there is any unforeseen situation, in such case your family will be safe at least. The second benefit is by investing in ULIPs, you also get tax benefits. Well, not many are aware that the premium they pay towards ULIPs is also eligible for tax deduction under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. Besides this, additionally, the returns you get on the policy, on the maturity of the policy, you also get tax benefits under Section 10 of subsection 10D of the Income Tax Act. So this is the dual benefits, the dual tax benefits you can claim with this policy once you're investing in ULIPs. The next benefit you also get is the finance for long-term goals. So if you have a long-term goals like buying a home, buying a car, for marriage, retirement plan, so anything you have a long-term financial goals to achieve, then ULIPs is a very good investment product for you. And the last benefit you get by investing in ULIPs is that you get the flexibility of the portfolio switch. Now what does that mean? It means that, as already I had mentioned and already I told you, that you can invest your money either in equity or in debt or in hybrid funds. So here, as an investor, as a policy holder, ULIPs gives you the opportunity, it gives you the benefit of switching the fund. Now what does that mean? Now if as an investor you have a sound knowledge of how the market functions or how the market performs, in this case you have the liberty to switch from say equity to debt or debt to equity. So this is the plus point when you invest in ULIPs. So here you can switch between equity to debt or debt to hybrid based on your knowledge and based on how the market functions or market condition, however it is. Now lastly, let's understand who should invest in ULIPs. Well, I would suggest all those individuals who want to track closely and who want to closely monitor their investments should choose to invest in ULIPs. Well, a ULIPs plan allows you as a policy holder to closely monitor your portfolio. This is the plus point, I must say. The second one is those individuals with a medium to extended investment horizon can choose to invest in ULIPs. Well, as I already suggested, since ULIPs is the insurance come the investment plan, ideally those individuals with long tenure, long-term financial goals should invest in this. And if you have, like say, you want to invest in starting, you want to invest for 5 years. Later on, if you plan to extend your investment goals, your insurance plan, then this is ideal for you. This is the best option for you. Third one is individuals with varying risk profiles. Yes. So since ULIPs plans gives you the variety of fund options, such as you can invest in equity, you can invest in debt, you can invest in hybrid funds. So this gives you the option to first determine what is your risk appetite, and based on that you can switch. And lastly, those investors across all stages of life should definitely invest in ULIPs. Well, different types of ULIP plans are available to help you protect yourself as well as your loved ones against the financial needs as well as liabilities at specific point in time. So in this entire video, I just hope you have got a just idea of what is ULIPs, how does it work, who should invest in this, what are the benefits you get by investing in ULIPs. So I just hope in this video, all of these things are very much clear in your mind. If you want a detailed knowledge of how this investment product works, what are the other investment products that you can also invest in, for example, if you want to invest in mutual funds, for example, if you want to invest in PPF, or stock market, etc., I would suggest you get an in-detail knowledge first and then start your investment journey. So for that, you can download Freedom app from Play Store or App Store. It's very much easy to download, and it's also easy to get access to knowledge and also opportunities that you get by investing and also the knowledge you gain from it. So hurry up and download Freedom app. Also, if you have found this video interesting and informative, do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon to get notified for our next video. Thank you for watching Freedom. Get wise, break free.